The Kilmer Branch Library hosted staff from the Hobe Sound Nature Center for a program all about alligators. Children were offered an exciting and educational experience that combined an interactive lesson with a live alligator encounter. Designed to ignite curiosity and foster respect for wildlife, the program culminated with a live demonstration featuring a real alligator, where kids observed and touched a live alligator. For more library programs, visit stlucieco.gov/library.